What's up everybody? Today we are back in the garage just with a quick how-to install. You can see in the background here we've got a 2021 F250. Came factory with halogen lights, but we're gonna go ahead and throw some LEDs in the headlights, show you how to do that. Probably upgrade the reverse lights, license plate lights, and fog lights as well. So we'll jump into that. So these are the lights we got off Amazon here. I just went with some cheap ones to try them out. I like trying out the cheaper ones, seeing which ones work or last the longest. Got some car over LEDs for the headlights. They're both H13s. Got some fog lights here. I think those are aux beams, and then I don't even want to guess how to pronounce that, but those are license plate bulbs. Those are reverse bulbs, and to get at the headlights, got to take all these clips out along here. This will come off, the grill pops off. There's a couple 10mm screws. Same with the headlights. There's two 10mm here and one up there, and they'll pop right out. And then switch the bulbs and then go turn on the switch and done. Just to mention, on these 2021s compared to like the 17 to 19 model, there's two bolts on the grill that go behind here. You got to take those nuts off, and down here on the grill there's these covers you got to pop out, and they hide a 10mm on each side. So I'll zip those out, and then the grill should pop off. Oh yeah. Just like that.
Yeah, same as what would be in my truck.
Yep. So I just got those new headlight bulbs in. Try and show you from the back here if this would focus out of the light. These bulbs themselves have the fans on them, but there's quite a bit of room down in here. There also is one 13mm bolt back behind the rubber here. You have to zip out and the headlight just tilts forward. You can sneak your hand in there, so not too bad really. We'll go ahead and turn these on and compare LED to halogen. I think we like this look better than that look. LED? Looks like crap with the fog light, but give us a minute, we'll sort that out. So for these fog lights, they're pretty, if you got small arms, you can reach up in behind here and twist them, but it's easier. Those 4 bolts are super accessible. Just rip that bracket off and then grab your new bulb and put it in. Whichever way she may go. And that's that. Alright everybody, last week I got the wrong LED bulbs for the reverse off of Amazon. I just went off what Google told me they were at a time, but I went ahead this week. It's a week later now. I got these Luminex bulbs here. It's a 3157. So tail lights are pretty easy. There's 2 8mm bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. Pull the headlight out. I already did that side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn them on and give you a comparison of them. Hopefully we can see it. This would focus. Yeah, I think we like this one more, way more than that. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but hopefully this will focus. Now I'll set you down, I'll just show you how to do this one really quickly. we'll be done. Twist the bulb out, easy. Pull it out. Put that new one in. Always make sure they work before you put the lens back in. Beautiful. Alright, just wrapping this up. So, got the reverse bulbs in, both sides. Got the license plate bulbs in, that was last weekend. And then going around to the front here. Travis doesn't turn the fog lights on because he's new. Put it in park. Turn the fogs on. Yeah, I think that's better. Fogs on. I like it. I've been driving with these on for about a week, and so far I like them. They're pretty good. But this would adjust to inside lighting. So total off Amazon, I probably spent like 160 bucks on to fully do the LEDs on this truck. So I'll keep you posted, see how they work out, but pretty straightforward. You guys can do them yourselves, probably within an hour. And yeah, if you like these how-to videos, let us know. Hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.